Business guys, lawn care architect here. I had one of my clients reach out to me and told me that she was not gonna allow the kids to play in the backyard. And we know we love the kids. They had just moved into the property. It looks like this thing hadn't been touched all summer long. So again, I know we all have those memories of being out there in the backyard, losing action figures, playing whatever kind of games, and creating our own adventures out there. So, guys, we gotta let these kids get in their backyard. So when we get an opportunity, we gotta make it happen. Let's go. Just a little advice. We took a little break there to make sure we check and see what's ever up in all this mess, guys. I seen mice running out of here and all kind of good stuff. So, we want to make sure we ain't running over anything to damage our equipment. Got to be careful in this tall grass, man. Let's go. Now look, you may not be able to tell from the video, but yeah, this grass was probably about 5 feet tall, to be honest with you, in its tallest places, and it was thick, 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 thick. But we got it knocked out. The hustler actually took care of it. I'm kind of surprised. Didn't have any issues. Of course, we're gonna come back and make sure we get a lot of this thick grass blown off here. That's another pet peeve of mine. We got to make sure it looks right if we touch it, man. Just don't be out here just blowing grass all over the place. I know a lot of times you want to go grass with my grass, we just gonna walk it down, man. So, go over this, get it knocked down, go this way, let it dry out. If it dry out, then we'll go over it again, right? Go to the grass, I said, no, we've already walked on this. Get the grass. I have to keep going over and over, don't get it down. Look, bring it down. Look.
Right. You understand what that now? I'd rather be you. Let me back what I out a little bit. This is great about the big question.
Now you know we had to get it right with the curve shaft, echo, weed, showing this thing and showing me some love, man. So, guys, get out there and use what we got available to us. This lawn care business, I'm telling you, it's crazy. You never know what you're gonna run into, how things are gonna happen to you. So you always got to be prepared, man, and make sure you have equipment that's gonna get you through the job. Let's go. So you know we had to get it right for the kids. So the client was completely satisfied at the results. Another successful solution to the problem. And guys, again, it's for the kids. So we out here doing this, getting paid for the kids. We keep them off the street, letting them have all them adventures that we had when we was coming up. So let's get it done. See you in the next video. Let's go.